Hey there, what's your name? You want to make out?
Stop.
Come on. This is fun. We got plenty of room, no back seat.
You done? Okay, we're done. Another nice video. Come on, Tom, please. I want to just get this done. Welcome back to the community, everybody, and thank you all for being here. My lovely assistant today. People have brought up in live chat about our bloopers and stuff. We did some quite a while back, kind of like 2 years ago. I put some up. And I never do because I don't know if that bores people, but everybody in live chat's like, do it, do it, do it. So I have an external hard drive that I keep all my original videos backed up on, thanks to Heather buying me one. So I'll go ahead and pick the bloopers from all the videos and put them together and then show you some older ones at the end of the video. But at the end of this video, at the very end, stay focused because I got to tell you what's coming up for DIY stuff and a little invention too. So you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's show them what's going on. So here is something that I need to ask you. Do you have your new copy of VW Trends magazine? They're back in action for quite a few years now I wasn't aware of. Go down in the description and subscribe so we do not lose this magazine again. Thanks to Dan, it's back in action. Get yours.
Hey there, what's your name? You want to make out?
Stop.
Come on. This is fun. We got plenty of room, no back seat.
You done? Okay, we're done. Another nice video. Come on, Tom, please. I want to just get this done. Another nice mod is custom seats because you can move yourself all the way back if you want. You can...
Oops.
Why?
You said you can move yourself.
I didn't tell you to.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I don't know. I'm having a day.
I see that. Okay. Another nice day is... Now look what you made me do. Just don't buy anything for your car. Just forget it.
Yeah. Okay. I need a straight screwdriver for my reindeer that I bought from the Habitat. It's messed up. So I just need a screwdriver. A little one. Okay, that works. Why are you just standing there?
It's okay.
I'm sorry, everyone.
No big deal.
I needed one because I can't find mine.
Okay, have a good day.
I think you probably took it.
Welcome back to the community, everybody. All right, so what we have coming up is your fenders a little crooked, like they're not lined up with your front apron or even the back ones. I'm going to show you how to make them nice and even. You know, it's a nicer appearance and it's not far to do. Really? I'm going to show you how to make them even. It's an easy trick to do to line them up. I'm going to show you soon how to make your fenders nice and even. If they're not lined up with the apron on the front, you want them right. Forget it.
Whoa! Woo! Do, 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 do.
What the hell you got the camera on for? What are you doing? All right, so we'll go ahead. We'll push the car back so we can get a little bit more. So we can get a little more room. What the? Okay, well, tip of the day is remove wheel chock before pushing the car. That's a tip for this video, I guess. So, you know, a nice thing for an engine mod is always dual parts. A nice thing for an engine mod also is dual carburetors. Now, here I have the Weber IDFs. Why do I do this? Here I have the 40 Cadrons that were donated by Dino from Dino's Garage. and they will, once you tune them and get them set up, they hold it much longer. I need to start this over.
Hello, welcome back to the community, folks. I'm Slade. Well, isn't that what you always do?
Yeah. See? That wasn't how that was supposed to work out. So as you know, I'm going to use the Rust-Oleum. As you're aware of, I'm using the Rust-Oleum Rattle Can 5-in-1 spray. And one thing that was funny, me and my buddy Duke were talking. No, I did not paint the car white because of bodywork issues, but I am not perfect. Duke had a good saying, if it ain't white, paint it right. Duke had a saying, if it ain't right, paint it right. Wow. Duke had a good saying, if it ain't white, paint it right. I did it again. Duke, a body man of 42 years, said, if it ain't right, paint it white. Hey, I think he's right. Damn, unbelievable. Give me 1 second.
It's okay. It's okay. I closed the door and everything fell.
Oh my God. Sorry about that. Now, as you can see, I'm running 205s in the back. I like that fat, skinny look. Wide in the back, skinny at the front. That's the way we did it in the 50s. That's the way it was done in the 70s and 60s, I'm quite sure. But I always thought it looked better when, from behind, it looked like it had a big butt. I better not say that. It always looked better in the back when it looked a little wider. That's what it is. And these are authentic center lines. The old caps with the CL on it. That was really nice of Dino. And to get the real deal center lines as a donation was amazing. I mean, when I put them on the Jeep, I'll take photos. And when I put them on the Beetle, when I put them on the 68, aka Chaos, I'll definitely do a lot of filming with that because they're going to look amazing.
Hi, I'm Slade. Welcome back to my channel. Well, I thought I would do it for a change. I can fix anything.
Come on. Okay. All right.
Okay. Good.
Welcome back to the video. Okay. Welcome back to the community, everybody, and thanks for being part of it. And also, my buddy Johnny and I were talking about something, and I'm going to do a special video, hopefully within the next week here. A lot of people ask about removing their alternator, and immediately they say, well, you know, is it tough to do with the engine? And it's not easy. You know what I mean? You got to pull the motor. It makes it easier. But I'm going to show you a new trick that we found online on a forum, but nobody ever did a video on it. So upcoming, we're going to show you how to remove your motor without the alternator. Ugh, almost made it. So I'm going to show you a neat trick on video, how to modify something so that you don't have to pull the doghouse up and all kind of crazy crap, and you can take your alternator off the motor much easier than before. Not much of a struggle, so it'll make it greasy. It'll make it easy. And it was really nice of him to send this. If you have a swing axle, you silence my phone. Yeah, babe.
What are you doing?
I'm in the middle of filming.
Oh, crap. I really needed to go to Hobby Lobby.
Okay, well, we can go another time. I'm going to get some filming finished up.
If I buy you pizza, will you take me?
Do you... You really do need to go.
Well, do you want pizza?
Yeah, I can finish filming this evening, I guess, if you want to. But I just got to say a few more things on here, and then I'll come down. We'll do the running, and then do it when I get back.
Okay, I was just kidding about the pizza, so thanks for taking me to Hobby Lobby. Love ya. Bye.
Hey!
There you go. You got it now.
That's my buddy. He's real cool.
This is it, boys. Making dreams come true.
This happens a lot. And it will enhance the channel greatly. So say hi, watch this. I just put my hand back here, watch this. Hi.
Hi, Tubies.
Okay, let's take a look at this. Let me grab a towel here and
And that's why I had to get new bath towels. Because you keep taking them and bring them up the garage, and you said, oh, I don't know where they went.
I think I need to edit this part out. One thing we learned today is the ultrasonic cleaner worked really well.
And you were going to try to film without me.
All right, when I tell you just crank, when I tell you let go, the whole ordeal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what we do. Well, okay, then what are we going to name him? It's up to you. It's your call, whatever you want to name him. Okay, why don't we figure out a name?
Well, if we want to name it,
Okay, we're done there. Okay, so I'm just waiting on Heather to come up. She should be up any second. I'm going to go ahead and... It came! I'm so excited.
I am too.
This helped out a lot.
Oh, did it come from Italy?
Oh, why'd you say
Well,
that?
it must be.
Why?
It says fragile on it.
Oh my God. I will go ahead, pop the top off of it. Be back in a second. Grab my screw gun.
Is that the Milwaukee red and black thingy, drill thingy?
Yeah, my screw gun.
It's down the house. I was using it.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, shut up, Mr. Bath Towels. He had that coming, so.
Pull that plastic up. Alrighty, thank you.
Yeah, I can use this.
I just take it. You grab everything when you're up here, don't you?
Yeah, but these are fun to just sit around and pop.
Oh, don't. Okay, quit it. I'm editing this out.
So addicting.
Okay, stop. Stop just for a second. Thank you. Are you done? Why are you doing this to me?
I don't know, because these are so fun.
Are you drinking? No. Okay. All right. So we have. Come on.
I didn't do anything.
Okay. So we got the plastic off the one side, and it does have the 2.5-inch drop spindles on it.
What are you doing with that?
I'm gonna clean a gas tank out with it.
My toilet bowl cleaner?
Yeah, it has acid. I'll buy you more.
But you used vinegar.
It didn't work. It only took like 50% out. I'll get you more.
You're killing me, Smalls.
I know.
Hey, these are mighty big gloves for me to fill. Like, seriously?
You're gonna start today.
I'm just saying. And wait, I'm sitting higher than you. I'm the queen.
Can I start?
So I got bigger gloves and a bigger chair.
Okay. We're gonna be filming.
Guess who's taking over? Slades channel.
Okay. I gotta edit this out.
I don't care.
Okay. I told you not to stick your fingers inside. All right.
I'm back.
Welcome back to the community, everybody. Why are you looking at me like that? What are you doing?
I was just looking at you. You were talking.
Oh, all right.
It's a habit.
Okay.
When people talk, you look at them.
Can I do this?
Yeah.
Okay. Welcome back to the community. Come on, don't do that.
Shut up.
Okay. Welcome back to the community, everybody, and thank you all for being part of it. And I wanted to thank everybody also for the donations that have been coming in to help. I'm going to be here all day. And hon, I got to pause this.
Hold on, I can't stop laughing.
And what's that, Heath? The heck you doing?
There's a big cobweb.
Oh, thought you decided to pause and exercise for a minute. Start a whole new channel here. So today,
Como se llama?
me llamo Tony. Me llamo Slades. We done?
Oh, it is a Mexican.
I know.
Never mind.
Okay, we film.
Okay. I was getting into the feel of things before we went.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's rough to deal with. Just saying.
I'm cutting all this out.
I don't care. It gives you more editing. ¿Cómo está usted?
I'm fine, thank you.
Well, I mean,
Okay.
you know. And then the next video was for the crank Kate.
It's okay.
I'm back.
You had to do that. Okay.
Well, shouldn't you announce it or something?
Oh no. This is going to be a long day of filming.
Oh, jeez.
Did I look that funny? Okay, stay tuned tomorrow for another important film coming your way. All right, so another great addition is a tachometer. And the tachometer is a big help.
Sorry. I can't. Once you get me started, I can't stop.
I didn't do anything.
I know.
Okay.
Why? Idiot.
Wow, that wasn't good.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Slade. This is now my channel.
Oh my
Seen the
God.
tour. I mean, he wasn't even in it. Why do you do that?
All right, so I hope you enjoyed that. I save all of my original videos just in case YouTube would ever go down or anything. I can put them all on my website for free. So that's how I save a lot of stuff. And some of the footage was a little older, you know, towards the middle and the end, but some of you may have not seen those. But it was fun. Coming up, and here's what we got. What I talked about earlier, removing your alternator without removing the engine. I'm going to do a video on how to modify something so that you can much easier. And also for Toby, my buddy, him and Liam, I'm going to go ahead and do the engine compartment seal, kind of detailed and close up. That'll be in about 4 days, I believe. So see you Sunday night in live chat at 8 p.m. Eastern. It's getting bigger and bigger, like one big family. Thank you all for being here, and I'll see you next time.